are the top 5 fastest fighter jets of all time. 5. MiG-31 Foxhound. This Russian interceptor reaches speeds of up to 1,864 miles per hour, 3,000 kilometers per hour. 4. F-15 Eagle. An American jet renowned for its speed and maneuverability, it can fly at 1,875 miles per hour, 3,017 kilometers per hour. 3. MiG-25 Foxbat. A Russian marvel that can reach speeds of 2,190 miles per hour, 3,524 kilometers per hour. Designed for extreme speed and high-altitude interception. 2. SR-71 Blackbird. Known more for its reconnaissance role, this jet can reach 2,193 miles per hour, 3,529 kilometers per hour. 1. X-15. Although experimental, the North American X-15 holds the record with speeds up to 4,520 miles per hour, 7,274 kilometers per hour.